You don't need millions of followers to make money online. You just need the right system. Let me show you how creators are turning views into income every single day. You don't make money from views. You make money from attention, which builds trust and then leads to action. It's a simple formula. Attention leads to trust, and trust leads to action. That's the big picture. Your job: get attention, build trust, convert. That's the funnel. First, grab attention with content, then build trust with value and consistency. Finally, convert by offering something. Master the funnel for success. Let's talk about your simple funnel. At the top, we have content like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This leads interested viewers down to a conversion. A clean, simple funnel. The goal isn't just to get views. It's to attract the right people with value and emotion. That's why I create motivation and style content. Tell your story, give real value. That's how you build something meaningful. You need a place to collect your audience. Options: WhatsApp channel, Telegram group, email list, link in bio page. Don't depend only on platforms. Offer. This is where money comes in. Simple rule: solve a problem your audience already has. Let's start simple. Digital products are the best for beginners, like a style guide, a confidence ebook, or a fashion lookbook. They're easy to create and require no inventory. A perfect place to start. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn commissions by promoting products you love. Promote fashion items, tools you use, or courses you're passionate about. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Once you grow, brand deals start rolling in. Clothing brands, beauty brands, lifestyle brands. It's amazing. So invest in yourself. Learn, create, and watch the opportunities come to you. I offer a range of services to help you shine. First, personal styling to create your unique, confident look. Second, your full potential. And third, content strategy help to elevate your message. Let's talk about your first product. Keep it simple. For example, my luxury confidence guide helps you start with confidence. So create your simple plan and launch with confidence. You can do this. To dress confidently, start with your favorite color and build from there. Try combining a bold top with neutral pants for a balanced look. Remember, your mindset shapes your presence. Stand tall and own your style. How to sell without looking desperate. It's all about your content strategy. Focus 80% on providing value and 20% on soft selling. This builds trust and converts without pressure. If you want to look confident without expensive clothes, quick tip: I created a full guide. Link in bio. Simple, no pressure. Welcome to the Daily Money Content System, your key to consistent financial growth. Every day, I deliver 2 to 3 value-packed videos to educate and empower you, plus 1 soft promotion video to offer tools that support your journey. If you're serious about this, check my bio. Full guide is in my link. I break this down deeper in my ebook. I'm excited to share my free style guide to help you elevate your look, and for deeper transformation, check my luxury confidence ebook. Plus, join our supportive communities on WhatsApp and Telegram. Links are in the bio. Hi everyone, today I have something special to build your trust. It's my free confidence checklist, a guide to help you feel empowered. This free gift grows your audience faster by creating real connections. Download it now and let's get started. Hi everyone, I have a very special free gift to build trust, the confidence checklist. This is a powerful tool to boost your confidence. It's my gift to you. Download it free below. Let's grow together. Today, I'm giving away a free guide to build trust. It's called 5 Ways to Look Expensive. It's a free PDF. Download it now to transform your look. The links for watching, and enjoy the guide. Once something works, how do you scale? First, make more content around it. Then, improve the product, increase the price slowly, and add upsells. Let's talk about common mistakes. First, waiting to be perfect. Second, posting content without a clear direction. And fourth, selling too aggressively. Let's walk through a realistic timeline for your business. In the first 2 weeks, focus on content and audience building. Launch a simple product by week 4, aiming for first sales in month 2. In weeks 1 to 2, focus on content and your audience. Weeks 3-4, launch a simple product. Month 2 brings your first sales. Month 3 and beyond, you scale. Attention leads to trust. Trust leads to an offer. An offer leads to money. Repeat. Attention leads to trust. An offer leads to money. Content leads to attention. Attention builds trust. Trust creates the offer, and the offer brings money. Content leads to attention. Attention builds trust. Trust creates the offer, and the offer brings money.
Stop posting without a plan. Turn your content into income. Follow for more real strategies that actually make money.